Lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Heather wig. This is from Estetica, and the color is R20RT8. I was excited to see this. This is actually a return from wig closeout, so the quality, as you can see, really good. So anyway, I saw this come back as a return and I was like, right, well that's a color people don't get to see very often, and a style that I don't think people get to see very often either. So I was like, all right, two birds, one stone, let's do it. Let me go ahead and do my little turn so you can see what this one looks like on all sides, and then I'll tell you about the specs and all that good stuff. I like this wig a lot. I think she's kind of an underappreciated beauty from the Estetica line. I also think this one is a really great alternative to Jones if you are jonesing for a Jones, but you don't want to wait on the back order list. This has extremely similar layering, and despite what the product picture for Jones looks like, Jones is not curly. It's straight. It's a little bit flipped out at the ends compared to something like this, but the actual layering and the way it's cut, very similar here on the Heather wig. The length is also comparable. The front is a lot different though, and I actually modified this wig just a little bit for this video by doing what I'm doing right now. I changed the part by combing all of this forward and then swooping it off to the side. And the reason why I did that was because the way that the bang was laying right out of the box looked really, really wiggy. But as you can see, very workable once you play with her a little bit and maybe change the part like I just showed you. Beautiful layering on this. This is an open cap wig, no frills. Stretches considerably at the perimeter. I would say that this fits, you know, a little bit less generously than some Estetica wigs out there. So it's a little bit closer to true to size, but it's average and has the ability to stretch after a while. I'm gonna go ahead and take Heather off so I can show you the cap. So here's the perimeter, nice stretch cap here, so it will give and probably relax over time. Open on the top with a bit of cloth here at the front hairline, very similar to Jones's cap construction there. Open ear tabs, does have, like I said, lots and lots of elastic around the perimeter. An extended open nape with the hook enclosure in the back, and there's that color again, that R20RT8. Here's what the top of Heather looks like. She's got very light hair density, and the hair isn't super shiny, which is nice. Very, very light permatease here. I mean, really super light. You could see when it was on that it had a little bit of volume, particularly right here in the middle. Other than that, very light hair density, very thinned out towards the bottoms. So yeah, this one's really cute. She's pretty easy to wear. You might have to play with the part a little bit to get it to lay the way you want it to, but the layering is very flattering, and in this color it looks really fresh. So again, this is the Heather from Estetica, part of their classy collection, so stretch cap wigs. And the color is R20RT8. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching. We love having you around here. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.